We're going to begin by learning how to find critical points of the following autonomous system of differential equations. dx dt is equal to a function f of x and y, and dy dt is equal to a function g of x and y. This system of equations is called an autonomous system because the right-hand sides depend on x and y and not on time t. Let's now define what a critical point is. A critical point is a point that I'll call x sub 0, y sub 0, where the system is in equilibrium. This is where both derivatives, dx dt and dy dt, are equal to 0. At equilibrium, there is no change in the system. To find a critical point, you just need to follow these two steps. The first step is to set both dx dt and dy dt equal to 0, and then the second step is to just solve for x and y. Let's walk through an example so that you can see how this works. We're given dx dt is equal to 2x minus y, and dy dt is x minus 3y, and we're going to find the critical point. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set dx dt and dy dt equal to 0. So we have 0 is equal to 2x minus y, and then we have 0 is equal to x minus 3y. In step 2, we're just going to solve for x and y. This equation gives us y is equal to 2x, and then we can substitute that in to our equation here on the right. This gives us 0 is equal to x minus 3 times 2x. This means that 0 is equal to minus 5x. This gives us x is equal to 0. If we come back over here to the left, we plug in x is equal to 0, we get y is also equal to 0. This means that our critical point is equal to 0, 0. Over here on the right, I've included what's called a phase portrait of this linear system. A phase portrait just shows the system's solution curves. Let's go ahead and put in the critical point. The critical point is at the origin. And notice that the solution curves are flowing around this critical point because our critical point is our equilibrium point. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.